My name is Dennis Benton. I'm the Welding and Joining Technology Chairperson here at Albany Tech, and I have 4 years experience in the welding industry. Our welding program entails stick welding, MIG welding, flux-cored welding, and TIG welding. We have 6 certificate programs that are available here at Albany Tech, and you can take the diploma program, which covers all the courses that we have. Our stick welding program, that would be used for mostly structural or pipe. We offer that here at Albany Tech. Your MIG welding and your flux-cored will be mostly production welding, and your TIG welding will be more of your stainless and exotic metals. You can do airplanes and custom automotive and stuff like that. More interesting and exciting points about the program is we're trying to implement robotic welding here at Albany Tech. We have a lot of local businesses that are looking into getting robotic welding at their companies, and they think that it would be nice to incorporate that here for the future of the industry to move to robotic welding. Mainstream, it helps companies to improve their production quality and their time frame. So if we can produce employees to them that know how to operate it and program it, it would benefit them dramatically in their production. I'm here locally around the Albany area. There are several production jobs that are available for students coming out of the Albany Technical College. The pay range from there could be $14 an hour up to around $20, depending on the business and what all different types of processes you'd be welding. Your TIG, like I said earlier, your TIG will be where you make the most money at, because it's the most skilled, 100% penetration. It takes the most time to learn. You have structural here, you have production here, you have Thrush Aircraft here that actually does airplanes and stuff like that. You could get on with them. They do a lot of pipe welding. You got companies like RHC, LMC, Equinox Chemicals, they're a chemical plant. They do a lot of stainless welding over there. You have Fusion Fabrication, industrial manufacturing. There are 7 to 8 big companies here that you get on, and you can expect average $14 up to $20+ an hour. If you want to continue your education in welding, there's a really good school down in Jacksonville. It's Tulsa Welding. They actually teach you pipe. We have the local union here that teaches you pipe. You can actually get on with them and start working while you're going to their night school. So you'd have on-job training and employment along with coming to theirs two nights a week. It's a 5-year program. You only go 2 nights a week. Every year you move up in pay. You can go to AWS Welding Academy, where they have trained there, get certified, and go anywhere in the United States or in the world. If you're interested in working with metal, come on down to Albany Technical College Welding and Joining Technology program and get your career started today.